Hi neighbors, welcome to my channel. My name is Jerry Ellen and it is my pleasure to have you here, and I appreciate the time you're taking out of your day to visit me in my kitchen. Today I'm getting right into it. I'm making an air fryer meal. It's a dinner for two. It's not a large meal, but it's great for you and someone else. I have four chicken thighs in here. Skin and bone are on the chicken thigh there, and I'm adding a few tablespoons, 2 or 3 tablespoons of an olive oil, and I'm going to toss the chicken in the olive oil, and I'm going to add some more goodies to this. I am now adding a teaspoon of paprika. You can use a sweet paprika, smoked paprika, up to you. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of summer savory. If you don't have summer savory, you can use dried thyme. You could use dried rosemary in this dish. That would work as well. Now I'm just adding 2 teaspoons of a minced garlic. That's 2 cloves of 2 or 3 cloves of minced garlic. I'll give you like 2 teaspoons. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper to taste. I'm putting some back in the thing because I poured too much of it out, but that's about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 of a teaspoon or so of pepper. I am making this air fryer meal because my good friend here, John, he said that he would like some air fryer meals. So this is the first one of many to come, and I hope that you're enjoying it so far. I'm giving this all a toss, but I'm not done putting something in there. I'm tossing it and I'm like, there's something missing, and what it is lemon juice. I'm going to preheat my air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. The air fryer can be kind of loud over the microphone, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover. And I have some music playing, just listening to some back home music, the Rankins. I'm giving this all a toss, and then I'm going to get my lemon juice. I'll grab that lemon juice in a minute. In this measuring cup here, I have baby carrots. Like I say, I'm making 2 servings, so I have like 1.5 cups of baby carrots. Now I have some mini potatoes that I am cutting in half until I get 1.5 cups. Or you could go 2 cups, that's up to you. You want 1.5 cups of the baby carrots to 2 cups, and 1.5 cups to 2 cups of mini potatoes that are cut in 2. And then I'm going to take them over to the sink and I'm going to give them a wash. Then I'm going to come back and add them to a bowl and add some goodies to it. So I stepped away because I went to wash the vegetables, and I'll come back and put them in a bowl and start adding some stuff to this. I promise I'll get that lemon juice. So just adding my carrots and potatoes to a bowl, and I'm going to add some goodies to this. Some of the stuff is going to be the same as what I added to the chicken, and that is 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Or you can use an avocado oil. I love olive oil. Going to put some salt and pepper. You can do that to taste, of course. I don't have to tell you, but I do. I don't know why. Everybody says salt and pepper to taste, so I'm going to say it too. Another thing I'm going to add is parsley flakes, dried parsley flakes, because it looks so nice over the vegetables. I actually end up going back and putting more of it on because it looks so good. But first, there's the lemon juice. I told you I'd get it. I'm adding a few tablespoons of lemon juice over the chicken. If you have a fresh lemon, zest that lemon over the chicken and squeeze that lemon over the chicken and toss it all. Now that my chicken is ready to roll and my air fryer is preheated, I'm going to add the chicken to the air fryer basket before the vegetables for a little bit, because the chicken does take longer to cook than the vegetables. And don't worry, I'm going to give you all the times that the time that it took me to make this all. This was a great dinner. I know it's so simple, but I had to share it. Sometimes the simplest things are the nicest things. The skin is facing up on the chicken, just so that everybody knows. I don't think I said it when I was putting it in there. The juices that are left in that bowl, there's not very many juices left at all. So I set it aside, but then I decide that I'm going to put it in with the vegetables because it's going to be delicious. And all the rawness cooks off of it. I'm giving this a toss. I'm also going to add not just the juices from that were left over from the chicken there, but I'm going to add some lemon juice to my potatoes and carrots as well. A bit more parsley because it looks pretty. And like I said, spoiler alert, this turned out so great. I was going to put, did I say? I was going to put a few videos together, like 3 or 4 air fryer recipes in one video, but I wasn't sure. So anyway, just a quick video. Give that all a toss. After about 13 minutes of the chicken being in the air fryer, I am going to take it out and I'm going to add all these delicious vegetables to the basket. So I'm going to arrange the vegetables all around the chicken there. Now you want your chicken to be cooked thoroughly, at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature, and you want your vegetables to be tender. Check your vegetables, like I put them in with the chicken there, as you saw, and set it for 15 to 16, 17 minutes. Around 15-minute mark, check your chicken and your vegetables to see if they are fully cooked and tender. It took my air fryer in total, counting the 13 minutes of the chicken, 13 minutes of the chicken being in there before the vegetables. In total, it took my air fryer a half an hour. So when I put the vegetables in, I had to add like 20 minutes or so onto the cook time for my carrots and potatoes to be nice and tender. I'm transferring everything to a bowl, and the juices that fell down into onto a platter, I should say, not a bowl. The juices that fell down into the air fryer basket, I poured over the chicken and potatoes because the juices of it were absolutely tasty, tasty. I can't brag enough about it. Tasty, tasty. Recipe in the description box below the video. Peace, love, and God bless. I thank you again for being here. I'm going to go sit with my hubby and have some supper. Take care, everyone. Bye.